Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a mesh and ribbon elf Christmas tree. I hope you like it. Isn't that little elf so cute? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. For this wreath, you're going to need one of the Dollar Tree 14-inch wreath rings. You're going to need some ribbon, and this is 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire. I bought it at Sam's Club this Christmas. And you're also going to need some pipe cleaners and your scissors to get started, and you will also need one roll of the 10-inch mesh. First, you're going to take your ribbon and you're going to cut it into strips at 11 inches. I started out making a ribbon wreath, and then I realized it is going to take at least probably 2 rolls of the ribbon from Sam's Club. So I changed over and I did a ribbon and mesh wreath. But here I'm just taking my ribbon, cutting it into strips at 11 inches. And we're going to be making bundles, and each bundle is going to take 5 strips of ribbon. Once you have all 5 strips cut, and you could dovetail or knife cut the ends if you would like. I just left mine cut straight. But once you have all 5 strips cut, you're going to want to take a pipe cleaner and cut it in half. And then this is real easy. Just pinch your ribbon in half, hold it in the center, do all 5 strips the same way, and kind of cross them over each other. Don't put them all going the same direction. And this would also make a cute little fun bow. You could do different color ribbon strips, and this is a cute and easy bow. So if you're having trouble making bows for your wreaths, this is a great option right here. So now I'm taking a pipe cleaner and just going to twist it around my little ribbon bundle. And then I am going to go to my wreath ring, and I am going to be using the 3rd wire, and I'm going to alternate between the 3rd and 2nd wire, adding my bundles of ribbon. So take the pipe cleaner, wrap it around that wire, go to the back, give it a few twists, and fold it down. Each wreath ring has 6 sections, and in the first section I did a total of 8 ribbon bundles. Now in the second section I only did 5 bundles. So if you're going to make this a complete ribbon wreath, I would say that you wouldn't have to put 8 in every section. Probably about 5 would work, but I haven't ever made it all the way around because I didn't think I would have enough ribbon, so that's why I added in some mesh. But this is the way the back looks. So I have 13 total ribbon bundles on my wreath. It would make a gorgeous wreath with just the ribbon, but like I said, I was afraid I would run out of ribbon, but isn't it pretty? And so here I just kind of fluffed it and shaped it because it was getting a little bit flat. To finish the rest of the wreath, I used this 10-inch mesh, and it only took 1 roll. And I cut my mesh into 30-inch strips, and we're going to be making woodland ruffles, and this method keeps the fraying down. So if you struggle and get upset with fraying, this method has each end rolled, so it helps to keep down the fraying, and it's one of my favorite methods. So just roll each end a few times, then walk your fingers to the middle until they meet. Now you have a pretty little woodland ruffle. Now you're going to take a pipe cleaner, wrap it around the center, give the pipe cleaner a twist, then go to your wreath ring, and we're going to be alternating between the second and third wire when we're adding our ruffles. And I put a total of 3 ruffles per section. In the description box right below this video, I will write out all of the measurements and all that kind of good stuff for you. So don't worry about remembering it right now. I'll write it all down for you in the description box. And so we're cutting our ruffles at 30 inches. It makes a beautiful, large, and full wreath. You'll have to let me know what you think of this combo with the ribbon and the mesh. Next, I'm going to be adding "'Tis the Season to Be Jolly" sign from Dollar Tree. I thought it matched the mesh and the ribbon perfect. So I'm going to use some cable mount. I can't think what they're called, but anyways, to put on the back of the sign. And then I have this adorable little elf. I've had it for years. I picked it up at Pier 1. So there's the cable tie mounts, and I just stuck them on, then added some hot glue around them. Going to let that dry. And then I just threaded a pipe cleaner through it and then gave the pipe cleaner a twist and then used those to attach my sign to the left side of my wreath. I wired the little elf onto the right side of the wreath. Now I think it looks really pretty just like this, but I went ahead and I tied a bow, and I'm not sure if I like the color ribbon that I used or not, so you're going to have to use or give me your opinion and let me know if I need to change the bow or leave it like it is. Just remember, when you're tying your bows, try to make your loops the same size on each side, and if you're going to splurge on something, splurge on good quality ribbon. Just remember to thread your bow wires through the mesh and then go to the back of the wreath, give the wires a few twists, cut them off short, and fold them down. But you'll want to thread your wires through the mesh. Don't go around it because it changes the shape of your wreath. And that's it. I just added the bow. I thought about adding a few shatterproof Christmas ornaments, but I decided not to. And then I took it outside and hung it up on my door to take the final video. Now it will be coming back inside because I don't want anything to happen to that little elf. But here it is, guys. So you'll have to let me know what you think. And also, what are some other Christmas crafts that you would like to see this season?